Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to see how to update OBS Studio, one of the best free streaming and screen recording software. Let me show you the quickest and safest way to do it. To begin, just open your OBS software. Once OBS opens, it may show you a window saying a new update is available, which is good for us. But if you don't see that window, simply click on Help, then select Check for Updates right here. If a new update is available, you will also see a window showing what's new in this version. To update OBS, click on the Update Now button right here. If any security pop-up appears, just click Yes to continue. New updates will begin downloading. Just wait a moment. After that, the update will start installing automatically. Once everything is done, click on the Launch OBS button right here. OBS will open again, and if you check for updates this time, you'll see a message saying there are no updates available. Friends, this is how you can check and update your OBS Studio.